I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Well, we're happy to announce we have got a sawmill, and today is the first time we have brought it out of the garage to set it up in the woods and to find it a spot in the woods. So we took it for an outing here. And it is a Woodland Mills HM 130 Max. And it's going to be pretty cool, I think. I can't wait to see this in action. And it took us a while to put this kit together. Was not a real easy kit to put together. It wasn't. It was a whole lot of assembly.
It's about the same as any other one.
About the same as any other, yeah. That's what we found, though, is anytime you order one of a sawmill, you may find that you have a lot of assembly. So be prepared. But they did have beautiful instructions, and so it went together fairly easy. So here we are. Daniel is having fun. So now it's got the leveling legs, and he'll just set it up right here, and we'll begin bringing logs in and milling them for our projects. And we have a lot of projects. So the first thing, one of the first things I want to see milled is just some little lumber for for building the solar optimization racks that Daniel had purchased the instructions for, so, and the plans for. But so I think that may be one of the things we do, since we are trying to optimize Nathaniel's solar this week. So, yep, we put, you may have seen where we put new cords on, and, or no, wait, that may be in this video.
What's that?
Where we put new cords on Nathaniel's solar. We may put that together, or we may just go ahead and just make this video all about the mill more so. But this was an expensive little get up to get it together, but thanks to the Lord, we had the finances, and so we paid cash, and we got it done. So Daniel wants me to sit on the tongue, he says. Like that's making any difference.
Oh, wow.
Not exactly. This is a very heavy piece of equipment, so that's not going to do anything, me sitting on the tongue.
I guess I should have dropped it too back. But I thought it would be too...
So it looks like we're going to have to trim some limbs off that little tree right there.
Right now?
Now what?
Do you know how to put these legs down?
Just turn
They got to be, pull the pin and swing it down.
Okay, so I've got to get involved here and pull pins and swing the legs down.
You put the pin back in and stop.
This is not a hard thing to do. No, okay, he doesn't want me.
The other side, do the same thing.
Oh, okay. So we're going to go to the other side. Put it to the...
Now you see those two boards over there?
Uh-huh.
Put them underneath the feet.
Okay, so we just... Yeah, we've got sand, so we have to put something a little more secure under our feet. And that's that. There it is.
Okay. Well, that's better.
Daniel's just been itching to get out here and get this going. And it's sat in the garage for quite a while, so because of all the other projects we had going on. So he's just been excited to have it, to get out here and get trying it.
Push that board in just a little tiny bit.
Okay.
There it is. Look and see it touch.
So all this timber on our property, you know, when we first moved in, people wanted to tell us, oh, you'll never be able to do anything. It'll be so many years before you can use any of this timber, and you know, they won't give you anything for it. You won't be able to do anything with it. And and they were really trying to encourage us to just get rid of the trees. And we told them no, we valued every tree that was on this property. And now it's going to come into fruition that we are actually being able to use some of our lumber, our standing lumber. So that will be so nice. We'll build some log cabins and you know, and I told Daniel, I said, yeah, we could have them come in and cut, but they usually leave a big mess behind us, what we've noticed, and we don't like the way the land looks when a cutting company comes in. So
Looks like it's great.
yeah, Daniel really hates it. So yeah, so we've decided that we will take and harvest our trees ourselves, and we will be using our mill to use the wood or to make the lumber. So, and we just need to harvest a few trees. We won't be harvesting all of our trees or anything like that. We're just going to just make areas that will have more grasses. We're going to thin it so it'll have more grasses, because
Stuff like this could come down.
one of the nicest things about having your trees here in Georgia is that it's like air conditioning when you're standing in the woods. It is just so much cooler under the shade, and that's great for you. It's great for your animals. Okay, we've got a little Harbor Freight awning set up over it. And we're getting ready. It looks like he's getting ready to put the little winch on it. And it's looking great. We've used that little Harbor Freight awning for so many things. And so now it's going to be used for this. And that's been a really good buy. Little gift, he brought me a tripod for my camera, and that was so sweet of him.
Cheap, well, somewhat cheap tripod from Walmart. This is probably the most expensive one they had, actually, at least in the on brand. But yeah, it has levers for the leg height adjustment. It's pretty much like the one I have. If you want, you can see the video of mine on my channel, but
it's beautiful. It's got all sorts of different
features. Pretty much all the stuff. The only feature that it has that mine doesn't is this quick release lever here, so she can slide her camera right in there and then push it closed. And that, and hers also has levels. Two of them to be exact.
That's so nice.
This one has a spot level and this one has a bar level. So yeah, it's not too bad.
That's beautiful. Thank you, Jacob.
The materials are kind of cheap though. I'll be honest with you there. And your weak point, as you can tell, is this hinge. It's like a Lego attachment.